What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE. Guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and sharing also to your family and friends. Subscribe. Road to success, guys. We are on the road to 20,000. Guys, let's move to 20,000. And I'm really humbled to be here. I'm really humbled to have a family that is kind of you guys. 10,000 people. I really appreciate you so much, and God bless you abundantly. So guys, we are back, and coming live from my home. This is my home. This is where I live, guys, as you know. And if you're new here and you don't know where Maja lives, this is where I live, guys. This is where I stay with my parents. So I'm really privileged to see this day and to be here today to give you this good and amazing video, guys. So yeah, from here, guys, the good thing about my home here, I'm not just saying in a bad way, but from here you can see Nyabohansi village from here. Yeah, you can watch it from here. The road is over there, and yeah, a cool place here that you can chill in the evening or afternoon, like today. It's around 2 p.m. here in the village, guys. So guys, like I was thinking of something to do here. I wanted to maybe to put a gazebo here for my parents. This is my parents' house and also home. So maybe when I will be building my house, it will be around here where the blocks are this side. So I was thinking, because I'm not moving out of this place, I was thinking to put a gazebo. So okay, I don't know where exactly, but you guys can tell me down in the comment section if you're watching. Maybe we can put it here. I was thinking of this place because it's near also the road. You can watch when you're seated here. You can watch outside, maybe, yeah, the cars moving and everything that is going on in Nyabohansi village. So you guys can tell me down the comment section. And also from this side, maybe I was also thinking of here, which is kind of the middle of village grandpa's house and also my house, because this fence will do away with it. So my house maybe will be here, just near the post, which is, yeah, electrical. So I was thinking of here, this place. I don't know, you guys can tell me down in the comment section. I was thinking of here, and also I was thinking of that place where I was on that stone. That stone is not man-made, or not no, it's not like someone came and placed it over there. It's like a stone which was here. I think it's God made, or yeah, I don't know if the English is correct, guys, but anyway, it's God made, so you can't even push it. You can see from that place. So I was thinking of this place here, and maybe also here. See here, it's very cool. Yeah, and also here. So maybe the gazebo can be here. So yeah, guys, and that is the plan that we have right now, and that is the project that we want to start also of the gazebo. And also we have a lot of projects. You see, guys, my sister is back, and we want to do also a lot of projects, including that gazebo, including other 2 projects. Yeah, so you guys can tell me down the comment section what you think about the gazebo thing, where we can place it. It's just trying to get an idea from you guys. Yeah, you can just tell me from here. You can see it from here. So the first place is there where I'm pointing, and the other one is down there just near the gate. So I will really I appreciate if you give me a sweet comment and tell me where you see it's suitable for the gazebo. Yeah, so guys, we're here. Also, we were trying to make our drainage from the toilet over there. So we have people here who are making this drainage here. Yeah, it was blocked. So yeah, and we have my sister here. Huh? How are you?
I'm fine. Hi guys, how are you? I know by now most of you know me. I am Maja's sister. I'm recuperating well, so I came home for holidays. So we are here doing a DIY with Maja.
Yeah. You don't have to start before we start the video.
Okay.
So, but anyway, you know, we have to learn process by process. But
yes.
Anyway,
we'll get the other one. We'll show them the other one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Maria. Simia Babu. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we will show you the other one, the way we'll begin, but this one I'm just doing it so that we don't waste a lot of time, but we'll show you using the other one.
Yeah. So yeah. So how have you been?
I've been fine. I thank God for this far, although I'm just having pain in my neck. I have from this part of my head to the whole of this arm. It's a side effect of the medication and after surgery.
The chemo.
Yes, chemo. So when after surgery, my muscles went into, it's called what? Defensive mode. So I was walking like this because I could not walk straight anyway because of the pain.
Yeah.
So I was like that for so long. So my muscles became very stiff. So I finished my chemo in November 15. So in December, I started having that kind of pain. So we did a lot of tests. There was nothing, but my doctor said after some tests, he said it's the muscles that have issues. So he told me I have to go and see a physiotherapist for physio to be done. So that's what I've been doing. So, but since I came home the other day, so it's Maja who is doing my physio at home. Yeah. It's really, really painful, guys. But we thank God. I am currently on morphine, the strongest painkiller. But it's not doing anything. Okay, it's trying, but the physio is really working wonders. So yeah, so that's the journey. But I'm grateful for life.
Yeah. Of course. Also me, I'm really happy. Especially when I saw you, your hair is now grown. I was like now.
Grown.
Yeah.
Yes, and again, my nails are no longer dark the way they used to be. They used to be very dark, but now the nails have grown, so the darkness has gone.
Yeah.
We thank God for that.
Yeah, God is good, guys, and I always prayed for this. Like, you know, when I see you now happy and just small pains, you're okay. God will heal. Will heal you. So, and since my sister came home the other day, so you know, she always has so many ideas. And you know, when I'm home alone, of course I'm always home alone, like a son or
the only sibling
caretaker. Yeah. So when she's here, we just get ideas together, and we get to do things together, like in our compound. Flowers, everything, the gazebo. I was just talking about the gazebo. So maybe they can tell us down the comment section where they want us to put the gazebo, because we had two options. Yeah, down there at the gate side and up here. So yeah, you guys, you can give us a suggest. Yeah. So guys, today we have what we are going to do here is what is it called?
We are making flower pots.
Flower pots. Yeah. So this is one of the ideas that we have. We want now to be making flower pots. We have one bag of cement here, and also this one. is one of the things that we are going to make a flower pot using. Yeah, and also we have another one here. This one. We have this one also, which will come out. Yeah, which will come out like a flower pot. And our idea is maybe this will be for the kitchen. Maybe we can put it somewhere here, and the other ones also maybe 3 in front of the house. So this is what we are trying to do, guys. I don't know if you have seen this kind of things, but I've done maybe 1 or 2 of them. Two of them. I believe you guys saw it from a friend who came to do it for me. Yeah, and we want to try it ourselves now today, guys. So the first thing we want to see, my sister knows better. Maybe she can know. Yeah.
So because we want, is it the shape, these things, we want these things to appear on our pot outside.
Yeah.
So we are taping, because they are open. If you put cement, it will come out. So we are taping the whole of this place, and then we do the cement inside. Yeah, we'll take you through the process.
Yeah,
as we
exactly.
do it. Yeah,
exactly. So maybe we tape it so that we
Maria,
can see.
help me
Like
hold
we are
that.
going to tape it like like you can see from here. Yeah, so we are going to tape here. Maria, say hi.
Hello guys, my name is Kid Maria _KE in Instagram. Welcome to Maja KE. Visit Grandpa, Grandma, Nick, Catherine, Mas Auntie Paris, Masi Empire, everybody.
Yeah, so guys, that is Kid Maria helping us here also. So we are taping here. So we have a tape. I think
this one is a tape.
Masking tape.
Yeah, is it masking? Yeah.
A masking tape.
But you can use normal tape. So since we could not find one, this is the one that was available at home.
Yeah.
So we decided to use this one. So Maria, put it that way.
This one. So you can just take it round. Let me help you.
Yeah, it's giving me trouble.
Let me actually, Maria. So maybe you can help me here with the camera. Yes. Yeah, I believe right now you know how to handle the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, so instead of...
Oh, this thing is small.
So this is how we tape it. Yeah, before we... Maria, help me with the knife. Thank you. So we tape it before we put the cement. This thing is so hard.
Let me help you.
You help me.
Yes.
I think doing one side first and then the other is easier because
Yes.
you see, like this one you've gone combo.
Yeah.
Kenya we say combo.
Combo.
Yeah. Yeah.
By the way, you have to cover every part.
You cover every part. So basically it's just doing that. Let us do it off camera. Then we come back when we are done with it, guys. So it's just that, covering the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, this was our first
DIY.
EAY.
D.
DIY. Yeah, so this
DIY.
yeah, so this was our first one here, guys. We have tried our best, and you can see my hands here. So I hope it will come out very good. Yeah, and clear. So we are going to another one here, which is another design. So this design I've done it once, but this one is my first time doing this design here. So with me here we have Pope Africa.
Yes,
Light.
guys.
Yeah.
Hello family, my name is Pope Africa, back again here with Maja. We're trying to fix amazing, I really don't know the name of this, maybe
flower pots.
flower pots. So
Yeah.
it's my first experience and I'm really enjoying for the first time. Maybe as time goes, we'll be able to do much. I'll be able also to know how we make it, and it's a good step actually.
Yeah.
Maybe as time goes, we'll be able to do it
Employ
and
maybe ourselves through this also.
Sure.
Yeah, so this is Pope Africa. Go check him out, guys. Doing amazing also. Digital content creator in the village, Nabuhansi, guys. So as I said, this was our first project today. Yeah, this one we want to see how it will come out, so we had to improvise some things. You see, like this is a plastic container, water container, and now we want to, the pot is just inside here, though we are using a lot of cement outside here, but I believe the pot will come out very good and clean, because you can see the outside, how the design is from the outside here. And now we are going to this one, which also, guys, I have it here, let me show you before we continue. We have that pot here, and that is one of the experience that I got from a friend who came here to do it for me. So the other one which we're going to do will come out like this. So this is what we're going to do right now. You can see the pot is very good, even though it's not painted, but the idea also was to paint this flower pot. And you can see what we have here. This is a flower which chases snakes away. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do, guys, and we use it with cement, and you can see it's very strong and very heavy, very strong and very heavy, guys. So that is what we're going to do today. We have also masons here, as I told you before. We're trying to fix the toilets, which were not that good. Yeah, so we have Maria also making her own. Maria, unatengeneza nini? Yeah, trying to make her own pot also. So this is how we're doing it, guys. So hii unaweka
Kwa hiyo ingine.
hii itakuwa kubwa sana.
Wacha uone space. Wacha uone. We are just trying.
So we are trying. You see, we want to use this container also to fix here. I don't know if it will be big or small, but recently the pot that I've just shown you, we used this one. So I think this one is the best, because yeah, I think it's the best. Yeah, so guys, let's try and see how it goes. And also I want to say, keep on subscribing, guys. We are back, road to success. We also have another channel, which is Echo Chambers, which will be launching very soon. Yeah, we will be having like people on the Echo Chambers, especially to motivate you guys out there, talk about life, challenges, youths, what you're going through. So keep on tuned, guys. This is Maja_KE. So let's try and finish up with this project, guys. like cooking ugali.
I give you this seat.
No, I'm okay.
I want you to be comfortable.
Huh?
I want you to be comfortable.
No, I'm good. I'm comfortable.
Who is eating Sim?
Kid Maria.
Maria, don't drink
Kid
for me
Maria.
drinking water.
Huh?
Finish your Sim, wash your hands and drink for me drinking water.
So now, guys, this is what it is.
Paste.
So we have to put some cement down before we place this one inside. So
That should be enough.
so that is enough. Come this side, dog. So we place this inside
In the
here.
middle.
You have to put it in the middle. Yeah, I think. I think.
Move, you see?
I'll give you water. I'm coming.
The other place is big.
What do you want?
This is big. It's small, I mean.
Alright.
Kesho nakuja kumalizia.
Boy!
I think
Hey!
there is okay.
Yeah,
Do you-
move your hands. You see?
I think there is okay. So we put sand in between this.
Give me a drink. Thank you.
Welcome.
Return it in the kitchen. Show your side. Show your side, yeah.
You have to balance it very well so that we get a very nice
Leave it.
shape.
Leave it.
Shape. So you can balance it before the before it dries up. Usitoe na hii mchanga hivi.
Alright. I'm here.
We are now doing manually without the
You have moved it here. Achilia tu. It's not an easy job, guys, by the way, to be sincere. We thought it would be easy,
Yeah.
But it's not.
But at least we now have 3 of them.
But who are we? We don't give up easily. Right, Mother?
Yeah. Don't put it inside.
Sorry. Now Quigatera. Quigatera means
To squeeze it, or to squeeze.
squeeze it.
Like this is now Quigatera. That is our
I
native
think
language.
you make sure there are no airbags in between.
Yeah.
Stay safe. It needs a bit more, right?
But I think it's okay. It's okay. We can just balance from
Okay.
here.
One by one.
Mother, here is space.
What? I don't push it.
Yeah, the space here was kidogo. That's why I pushed. So put your spatula here to release the airbags from there.
One by one. Two. 2 plus 2.
Guys, we are not going to mix any more cement. We are at this
Yeah.
point we are tired.
2 plus 2. 4.
We are just
4
going to
plus 4.
distribute well
5.
whatever is there.
Plus 4. 8.
We are not wasters, so we are using every bit of it.
I had Junior. 1 by 1. 2.
Mama, what time will you go shower?
Don't know type.
Yeah, so guys, this is our flower pot here. Yeah, almost done. So this is the first process of the flower pot. So maybe tomorrow or the other day,
In 2 days' time.
in 2 days time, we will be now giving you the clear results of our 3 pots here. Yeah, so we have 3 pots. This was the first one, and yeah, we started with this, but we were not sure, we were not very much sure about it, because the shape of
The
this
shape is what
Yeah,
makes
it's
a bit
challenging.
complicated.
So the other ones, this one I think it has come out so good,
Yeah.
and also this other one, but for this let's just wait and see the
Wait and
results, but I think it's fine, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will come out good. So guys, leave a sweet comment down below, and also get to tell us
Would
if
you
you know
try it
more.
at home?
Yeah, try it at home also, and if you know more about this or more about,
Where we've gone
Yeah.
wrong or anything like that.
yeah, you can tell us down the comment section, guys, so that we can know more and do even more, because we have just started. So I think we will be doing more of this. We really need a lot of pots.
A lot of them, more than 20.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll be doing, maybe each day we can do one, every day one, until they're enough. So for today we just did 3 of them, and yeah, it's hard work, by the way. You know, you have to. 39. So yeah, so guys, this is the end of this process right now. So let's see, we have some these are now our working tools. We
Yeah.
have 3 jerrycans, buckets. We have 3 buckets, and this is what we will be using. Work from home also, yeah. So and also, if you want to buy some pots like this, because we'll be showing you the end results, as I said
Yeah.
before. So if you'll want to purchase one and you're near here, maybe even in Nairobi, we can
Transport it.
we can transport.
Yeah, why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah, in Nairobi, Mombasa. Yeah, you can just tell us down the comment section. Also on my description, I'll be putting my number over there, and also my number is on my channel over there. You can go check me out in WhatsApp. We can chat, we can make one design for you. And also after here we are going to paint them, not just that we leave them like that, like the other one that I have. We're
Yeah,
going
we
to
will
paint
paint.
them. Yeah, so
Can I have the spatula, please? I wash
okay, thank you. Yeah, so these are our also working tools we have purchased. We will be working with them.
You also
Work
have
at home.
tape.
Yeah, the tape also, guys. You can go check the video until the end.
All
You
this
can see
get
how.
from Matson's,
Yeah. So check the video till the end so that you can see the process, the whole process, how we started and how it will be ending. Because okay, it will not, this video will not end here because I really want to show you the end product, yeah, of this project. So we are hoping everything will be well so that we give you the clear picture of how we started and how it ended. Yeah, so guys, keep on subscribing and supporting. Tell a friend and a neighbor to subscribe to Maj_KE and keep on watching, guys. We are back. Yeah, we are back. So
we're here washing our tools. Return the cement before you wash your hands.
yeah, so guys, we are done with our project today, which we were doing like the flower pots, and we're here, guys. Also my sister does this kind of soaps. So this is a soap, detergents. So maybe you can explain to us. I think we have light here. Yeah, explain to us how you do it, how you start. Maybe how can someone find you? Maybe he or she wants some kind of soap. Yeah.
Yeah, so hi guys again. I'm a bit tired, but we have to do what we have to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, you said how I started. It was during that time of COVID-19 when
Yeah.
COVID-19 struck the country. Sorry, I cannot turn
Yeah,
my
you
necks
can
so far.
just turn it like this because of light. Yeah.
So during the time of COVID-19, okay, let me start like this. I was born a very active person, so I cannot just sit down. I just have to do something. Yeah, that's just me, and I give glory to God for that. So yeah, during COVID-19, so many people lost their jobs, and for those of us who were working at the time, we could not go to the office the way we wanted, so we were working from home, and my job working from home doesn't really apply. So at the time I had to look for an alternative way to make income. So, and again and again also prices of things had gone high. Yeah, you could not go and, like, if your shopping is usually let's say like 10,000, you'd go and use 15,000. So I decided if we can cut down our expenses with the detergents, and then we can just buy the foodstuffs and the things that we cannot produce, then that's okay. So that's how I started. So initially I started by making detergents for my own use at home. Yeah. So later a friend of mine came, and she was washing her hands, and then she was like, I really love this soap, it lathers well. And I was like, I make it from home. And she was like, okay, let me get one of each. So I gave her, she bought one of each every 5 liters, because I make 7 things. So
that is,
I make machine wash.
so this is for washing machine. What kind of
Yes.
machine?
Washing machine.
Oh, washing machine.
Yeah, you just put it in the washing machine, you use it to wash your clothes. Yeah, the formula is quite different from the rest. So every one of them has a formula, okay? So this one is a washing machine.
Wow.
And then it smells
good,
really
yeah.
nice, yeah. Yeah, so there's this washing machine.
Yeah. And
There's this washing machine. I have Harpic also. Harpic. Okay, not Harpic. Toilet cleaner. Harpic is someone's company name. So locally we just write
Toilet cleaner.
like this. So it is toilet cleaner. This is toilet cleaner for cleaning your toilets.
yeah, there are different colors, guys.
Yeah,
so
this one is green.
green.
Yeah.
This one is purple. Pink.
Pink.
Not
Yeah.
purple. Yeah.
And this one is all-purpose soap. This one you can use it to wash utensils, clothes. It's very good for your clothes because your clothes don't change color or anything like that. It's very effective. So this one is for washing clothes, everything, washing clothes, scrubbing your floors, mopping the house, wiping surfaces, name them all. So this one does that. And
And
then-
each and every soap has its own like smell.
Yeah. Others I don't put scents because of preference of the client. So when a client says they want scents, I put. But if they don't, if they say they don't want, I don't put any scents because some are allergic to scents.
Yeah.
Like the ones I use at my home, 0 scents and 0 colors. Also, it's just clear. So this one is all purpose. There's also for one specifically for washing utensils. It's called a dishwashing soap. Yeah, so that's number 4. And then here we have bleach. Bleach is someone's company name, so it is bleach.
Oh, we are
This
not
one-
advertising, guys.
Yes,
so
yes,
we
are
are
not
advertising. And also, I wanted to ask, why don't you like brand yourself? Like
I have.
now?
I've started the process. It's only that my issue has really dragged me down.
Yeah,
But
sure.
I have gotten a friend who is helping me do that because I've already gotten the labels. I'm in the process of registration and all that. Yeah, so that I'm doing because I really want to become a brand on my own, and then sell in
the camera,
supermarkets and all that. Sorry for that. So this one is bleach white for white clothes, and then I also have bleach for colored clothes. So that one is 1, 2, 3, 4 for utensils, 5, and 6, and then I also have air freshener.
Air freshener.
Yeah.
Wow. This
Yeah,
is
so
nice.
those are the ones I make, and I also make shampoo. That is it, actually.
Yeah. So
Yeah, there's shampoo. There are more than 7, but the ones I usually sell so many times are the 7 items.
The 7.
The fabric soap. Actually, there's fabric softener. Let me name them all. I have dishwashing soap. I have all-purpose soap. I have hand wash. I have fabric softener. I have toilet cleaner. I have machine wash. I have air freshener. I have bleach for whites and bleach for colored clothes and shampoo. But there are 10.
10,
Yeah.
yeah. So maybe when you'll have a company, it will be better for you. Maybe in future you make your own soaps and maybe employ also some people. Yeah, it will really help in also the youths. You'll employ them, teach them how to make.
Self-reliant.
Yeah, teach them how to make the soap, then employ them.
Yeah, and again, right now in Kenya, the taxes thing also is really breaking our backs.
Yeah,
you
it's
make
so
very
high.
little, and then you have to pay a lot of taxes.
Yeah.
That is also really
A challenge.
challenging us. And again, also these soaps are not the same. You know, there are others who would say, me, I don't want to buy these ones because they are bought some from someone else that were compromised. Not everyone has compromised their soap, so they should stop. Some are saying these ones are fake. Those ones in the supermarket are the legit
real,
one. No, it's the same thing. The only difference
they want to
between
buy
us-
something from a shop or maybe industry.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, so thank you so much, and God bless you abundantly.